The making of this modern minimal hairpin bench is coming up next, so stay tuned. So I went to Home Depot and grabbed some 4x6 plank woods. And here I am making sure there's no debris and dust particles. I am now using the wood glue on both sides so I can ensure the wood sticks together evenly and also effectively. Right before the wood glue fully dries, I went ahead and nailed the two planks together just to give it that security and extra support. Here I am sanding it down, making sure everything is flush and smooth to the surface, and also getting it ready for the wood stain I'll be applying. These are 16-inch hairpin legs I ordered from Amazon, which I will be linking down below. I am making my marks to where I want to pre-drill the holes. I'm not using a ruler or anything. I'm just using a drill bit, making sure everything is even and in place before I make my pre-drill holes. Using the same wood stain I used in my previous video for making the table in the color ash. It is a water-based wood stain, and here I'm applying 2 coats of it just to get that even full coverage layer for the seating. After letting it dry for a full day, here are the final results. This project came out much better than expected. I always wanted a minimalist hairpin table, and looking at the prices online, I wasn't gonna pay that. So I decided to make my own, and here it is. If you guys haven't seen the last video on how I made this table to match, I will link it down below. And if you guys want to see more DIYs, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think.